In this video, I'd like to show you how we can easily access and see inventory that is in the Business One system. So first thing we'll look at is Inventory tab, and I'm going to go to Item Master Data and show first off what the data is looking like in Business One. So we'll go to Inventory Data for the motherboard here, and we've got 1740 in stock in the bin warehouse, bin location content list, and we can see all the bins that are sitting inside of Business One. So we'll just take note on a couple of these, like 411 has got 264, 311's got 100, and so forth. Now that's a lot of clicks to get into see the bins. We've got some nice ways to look at it by going to the item location bin view. This is a grid that we deploy, and it's also customizable. And so we come in here and look at our item we just looked at, sort by the bin code, and we can see the same data in here inside of our grids. This is looking at the data real time. So as you're transacting data on the handheld through Agility Mobile, it's important that you're able to go in and see data real time as soon as the transactions are written into the B1 system. A couple other ways here, we can look at a multi-level item view. And let's take that same item, and there's our motherboard, and we can see the different warehouses. So this is the item master data we were just looking at. There's the 1740, and we can look at the bins here and see where they are, again, inside of the Business One system. If you have batches, you can also use the item location batch view. Okay, so we can do a range criteria in the item or the warehouse. We'll just look at all for now, and put our item code B10000. So we can see all the batch numbers that are in our system and how much quantity we have on hand and the warehouse that they're sitting in. So it's nice to be able to see that inside the Business One system when you're sitting at a desktop. But also if you're on the handheld, if you go here on the handheld, we can now see a couple of views down here. So if I wanted to straight up do a batch view, just pull up the batch view, scan my item, put it in the warehouse we want to look at, and there's all the batches that are sitting on hand in the 05 warehouse. If I want to look at the bins, you can scan a binned item and go into our warehouse 05 and again see on-hand quantity in all the bins right out of Business One. There's also a nice item view. So this is kind of like the multi-level item view we just looked at on the B1 menu. So if I scan the item, we can see what's in each warehouse, and if I use the down arrow key, I can go from 01 to 02 to 03, 04, and 05. And then if it's a binned warehouse like this one is, I just click on bin, and the same bin view pops up. We can see what's in each bin in that warehouse. All right, so that's just a couple simple ways to look at your inventory. It's really important because as you transact the data real time using Agility Mobile in the warehouse on a handheld, it's important you're able to go see that data and trust that the data is right in real time and in the system as soon as you transact that data. Thanks for watching.